In this video, I will share how all these people made $171,864.64 and how you can make this kind of money without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without domain hosting server, and without ever made a single penny online. Sounds exciting? It gets better. You can get paid from anywhere in the world and you can make money via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. The choice is yours. So let us begin. I will tell you what they do to make this money. I will tell you how you can make money step by step, and I will share my automation software that will help you get there. Link will be in the description. But before we begin, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because this video and this channel has one goal only. The goal is to reach 100 million people in next 10 years and help them get rid of their financial distress by making money online. And for us, it's impossible without your help. So hit the like button. When you hit the like button, YouTube knows that this is a good and helpful video and they should share this video with more and more people. This way we reach more people. And you can help your friends, family, social media contacts learn how to make money online by sharing this video with them. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, chat groups, Reddit groups, Telegram, WhatsApp, everywhere. Done? Let's do this. First, let us understand the foundation of making money. Money is not in your pocket or my pocket. Money is in other people's pocket. And they only spend that money when they need to spend, or they want something really bad that they are ready to spend money for using their credit card. That makes total sense, right? Now, this is the question. Where will you get these people? Where are they? Let's first figure out the problem and then I will show you the rest. The problem is everybody wants to make money online, and everyone knows that in order to make money online, you need to buy or sell something, and buying and selling is possible through online shops. So everybody in their mind, in their craziest dreams, they want to own an online store, an online shop. That's why platforms like Shopify are so popular. But the problem with Shopify, they charge you monthly or annual recurring fees. So whether you make money or not, you have to end up spending money every single month. But that's only for the basic plan. For all the pro features, you have to pay them individually monthly basis. This is a huge problem for especially beginners. So in order to solve that problem, I built a software platform called Shopspresso. It allows you to make 3-in-1 online mega store and get all these benefits, the premium benefits of Shopify, by paying one time. And then I listed my offer on Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a platform where a lot of affiliates hang out. On day-to-day basis, they look for good offers to promote. So the affiliates found my offer super awesome. So what they did was collected their affiliate links and went out there in crowded places that, hey, anyone wants an online store? Yes, I want. You don't have to pay monthly recurring fees like Shopify. Unlike Shopify, you pay only one-time fee. Who wants one store? Everybody said, yes, I want. And those people purchased through my affiliate link. And when the purchase happened, this platform Warrior Plus automatically split the money. And the 50% commission went to my affiliates, which are this money, basically, all this money. You see these numbers here? $14,000, $9,000, $6,000, $6,400, $5,800, $4,700. All these are commissions. And the rest came to me. Now again, as a product creator, I tackled all the problems. Product creation, sales page creation, graphic design, funnel building, domain, hosting, customer support. I did everything. Affiliates only collected the affiliate link, went to a crowded place, and just share their affiliate link with the crowd. Now I think you understand the problem, right? The problem is the crowd. Mosh, where is that crowd? Where are the people who want to buy these offers? So yes, look at these hops. These are the crowded customers. These are the people who wanted to buy. So now the next question, how can I find these people? One of the simplest places where a lot of people hang out is called Quora.com. Quora.com. Quora has 543.7 monthly visitors, and 70% of their traffic come from Google and search engines. Why? Because Quora is a question and answer platform. People ask question, other people answers. So there are lots of engagement going on. Google love these engagements. So Google ranks Quora posts and Quora gets free traffic from Google. Now here's the best part. You don't need to worry about Quora traffic because we built a Quora automation software which is called Speed. Link is in the description. All this money you see were made by this software and Quora traffic. We have shared some of the great examples here. This person got 11.2 million content views. This person replied a question about web hosting company and got 1,300 free visitors from only answering to this question. If you scroll through this page, you'll get all the information, how it works, what you're going to get. You're going to get all these for a one-time price. And there are also a lot of bonuses that we are offering only for the launch period. So whatever the price you find, that is the lowest price right now. After the launch is over, the price of this software platform Speed will go back to monthly recurring. And you have absolutely nothing to lose because we have 30-day, absolutely no question asked money back guarantee. Now I'll give you an example of how crazy Quora traffic is. Somebody asked a question, what are some rare pictures that we have never seen? And this person named Sujit, he shared a couple of old pictures. They're old, awesome, and mind-blowing. Example, Elvis Presley signing autographs for fans on street. Arnold Schwarzenegger in Austria. Coca-Cola's concentrated syrup. This is one of the most interesting ones. World's oldest condom from 1640. And it came with a manual instructing to dip it in milk to avoid diseases. Sir Henry Ford with his first car. Now all these images are so awesome. Where is traffic, Mosh? Traffic is here. I welcome you to the end of this post. 615,000 views. 615,000 real humans saw this post. Imagine that. Let's go back to this for one moment. You see this RPH, it's revenue per hop. So for every visitor, $3 was generated by this affiliate. Again, by this affiliate, $14.63 were generated from every single visitor. Again, from this affiliate, every visitor or every clicks he sent, $11.88 were generated. Now, if we take something in the middle, like $9.14, so let us use calculator. $9.14 multiplied by 615,000 equals 562,000. No, my bad. It's $5.6 million. Wow, this may be possible, this may not be possible, I don't know. But let's go back to this person's profile. This person has got total 1.1 million content views and 4.9 thousand views this month alone. So 4,900 visitors multiplied by $9 equals $44,100. Now, how can this person get traffic from his profile? It's very simple. When you complete your profile, put your links, either affiliate link or your own website link here. Now, as far as I know, it's not wise to use direct affiliate links in Quora or any other profile pages. But you can use any link shortener like bit.ly, etc. in your profile. So when people visit your profile, they will click on your links and they become visitors. Those visitors and those traffic will generate your income. So easy and so simple. And on top of that, if you have Speed, then it will completely automate your Quora traffic and your commissions from Quora. You'll find link to Speed in the description, go get it. Do you think you can make money with this? I can guarantee you can. The only thing you need to do is to start taking action today. Go grab Speed from the link in the description. Use it and start getting traffic from Quora. Send all your traffic to your website or your affiliate link or any link you want and start making money from today. We made this video so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the real way, and the fun way. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family to help others learn how to make money online. Subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next how to make money online video. And we will see you in the next video.